Hello, Avid colleagues and friends. I need your help, and I thought that this video might give you some context as to what it is exactly that we need. So as you know, we at Avid like to work smarter instead of harder, and in order to do that, I need your input. We have been taking two very important tools that we have at Avid Center, and we're trying to make them one. We've taken the certification self-study and we have crosswalked it with the school-wide college readiness coaching tool. And in melding those two things, what we're trying to do is create the concept of a school-wide culture in all of our schools. Because as you know, the CSS is something that everyone does, but the coaching tool has not been used by everyone in the past. And so what we need from you is for you to look at two of the fabulous prototypes that have been made by our outside help and let me know what it is exactly that you like about them and that you would like to see in them. And so what I've done is on this email that this video is embedded into, I have given you two prototypes. And what I need you to do is give us some feedback on those prototypes. When you open the prototype, the first page is really just an explanation of what it is that this tool could do. Shouldn't take you long to read. You can skim this part. The second thing you're going to see starts on page 2. And this is the first prototype. This is what it might look like to meld the CSS with the school-wide coaching tool. On page 6, you will see the second prototype. All I need you to do is two simple things. The first one is to look it over. It's in a PDF, and if you have any specific comments, just put a sticky note on the PDF. The way you do that is on the top toolbar. You just select what looks like a speech bubble and you place it wherever you want in the document. If that's too complicated, you can just handwrite it and then take a picture of it and send it to me. Either is fine. The second thing I need you to do is to click on the link in this email. The link in this email will take you to a smart sheet, and that smart sheet is going to capture your specific feedback. It will ask you simple questions that you can pick from a drop down on and then give you some specific places where you can add your own comments. The goal of that is to synthesize all of our data and give Avid Center a really good understanding of what we do and don't like about each of the prototypes so that we can all use this tool to better students. Please don't ever lose sight of our mission, and that's to help our students achieve more and more with every passing day. And the way that we can do that is by monitoring the fidelity of how Avid is going in our schools. The reason you were selected to be a part of this is because you are brilliant and you have all kinds of practical knowledge, and we need that knowledge. So please take just a few minutes. I'm guessing it's going to take you about 20 minutes, and those 20 minutes will be very well spent because once we have your feedback, we will be able to create a tool that everyone can agree on. Thank you so much for being awesome. I do appreciate you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I need this back in 1 week so that I can synthesize the data and get it back to headquarters as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic day.